welcome to Learning Hub. Do you know about slowness? The slowest movers with leafy stillness. Sloths move slow, in trees they stay so slow that algae grows all day. It turns their fur a shade of green, a camouflage that's rarely seen. The algae helps them blend in tight, hiding from predators out of sight. Their slowness is a perfect trick to stay unseen. It does the trick. Sloths so slow with algae green. In the trees they can't be seen. With each slow move they disappear, blending in year after year. In the treetops sloths take their time, their movements like a quiet rhyme. With greenish fur and leaves all around, they blend into the forest ground. Sloths so slow with algae green. In the trees they can't be seen. With each slow move they disappear, blending in year after year. In the treetops sloths take their time, their movements like a quiet rhyme. With greenish fur and leaves all around, they blend into the forest ground. Though slow they are, they have no fear. Their leafy coat keeps danger clear. Camouflage by nature's hand, sloths blend in, slow and grand. So when you see a sloth so slow, know it hides where plants do grow. With algae green and movement still, it's nature's quiet survival skill.